Hello and welcome to Fake You News. We fake news till we make news. This is your host Kim Jerry with an exclusive. People in India have started purchasing drones to travel from one place to another, as keeping and maintaining a car has become very costly and there is hardly any parking space left. Traffic jams are a big nuisance, and half of one's valuable time is lost in it. Personal drones come as a backpack, just wear it, select the location, press the button, and the drone will take you there. If the drone malfunctions by any chance, you can press the second button and a parachute will open and you can land safely at a place. All personal drones come with free insurance cover of $5 million. Today, I have myself used a personal drone to reach my office, and believe me, it is hassle free. End of the report. Don't forget, you never heard it on Fake You News. Fake you all.